Good day. Our lesson for today is about growth. Human body is composed of cell, tissue, and organ. Cell is the building blocks of all living things. There are different types of body cells. These are bone cells, nerve cells, muscle cells, and blood cells. These are the parts of a cell. Next is tissue. It is made up of specialized cells. Organs. These are tissues that work to perform a special function in the body. The vital organs are the brain, heart, stomach, lungs, and kidneys, while the sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Essentials in human growth. Heredity. Things passed on by parents and other ancestors to their children is called heredity. That is why we have differences in height and in color. Next is rest. It is very important for the body to make new cells. So we need at least 8 hours of sleep per day. Next is balanced diet. We need to eat a balanced diet to get the nutrients we need to grow and be healthy. Not eating healthy foods can cause body to be weak, that may lead to sickness or to malnutrition. That would be all for today. For your activity, please answer page 13. Thank you.